And then I next to the correlation research case. So my correlation research title is the correlation between grammar scores and writing scores in 10th grade students. So the research context is in senior high school. Grammar and writing is important because in learning English, because grammar is needed to grammar untuk menyusun kata-kata menjadi kalimat agar bisa dimengerti, dan ini berkaitan apakah dan writing itu is used by students to express their idea in written form, and many students feel difficult in using correct grammar when they write in English karena masalah ini tuh membuat nilai mereka kadang turun. So this make researchers curious whether grammar score has a relationship with writing score. So this research is conducted to find out the correlation between grammar score and writing score of 10th grade students. Jadi apakah grammar score ini ada korelasinya dengan writing score? Apakah kalau grammar score-nya tinggi, writing score-nya tinggi, atau sebaliknya, apakah ini berkaitan? Jadi research problemnya itu, is there a correlation between grammar score and writing scores of 10th grade students? And next two variables. The first variable is grammar score and the next is writing scores. And the scale of measurement is interval scale because I use score in this research. And the null hypothesis is there is no correlation between grammar score and writing score of 10th grade students. And the alternative hypothesis is there is a correlation between grammar score and writing score of 10th grade students. And the statistical analysis I use in this research is Spearman correlation, because Spearman correlation is used because the data are limited and non-parametric tests is appropriate to this. And the data is 10 siswa yang sudah diberi tes grammar and writing, and the data dan nilai-nilainya sudah saya cantumkan. And then to solve this problem, the procedures is, the first is stating hypothesis. The null hypothesis, there is no significant correlation between grammar score and writing score of 10th grade students. And the alternative hypothesis, there is a significant correlation between grammar score and writing score of 10th grade students. I use SPSS to calculating this. So I open the variable view and type grammar and writing in the name column. So the first column is grammar and the bawahnya itu writing. And then I type grammar score on label and writing scores, and then move to input the data. So the grammar score of 10 students fill in the column, and jika sudah maka klik analyze and then correlate and bivariate, and then we can move the variable into the right box. Before we click OK, we choose Spearman and to tail, and then click OK, and the output will show on screen. And based on the SPSS output, the seek value is 0, 0, 0, and this value is lower than 5%, so the null hypothesis is rejected and the alternative hypothesis is not rejected. It means that the alternative hypothesis is accepted. So there is a significant correlation between grammar score and writing score of 10th grade students, because so the conclusion is that grammar score has a correlation with grammar score has correlation with writing scores. Jadi jika nilainya tinggi maka nilai writingnya juga tinggi. Jadi correlationnya ada antara grammar scores and writing scores. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.